Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. We are going to do today is very important MCQ which will be a very important for the exam point of view and it will be important for this competitive exam. Let's see what is our topic today. Today we discussion most important chapter here, water resources. The water resources the most important MCQ arrive here. Class 10 CBSE NCERT social science here. This is the most important chapter for the exam view here. You know that the question arrive here MCQ here. The next question arrive here, that's important. The question here, water of Bhakra Nangal project is beginning use of mainly for. You know that's important here. The water of Bhakra Nangal project is begin use of mainly for. The option here A, hydropower and irrigation, hydropower and irrigations. B, fishing, breeding and navigation. C, industry uses. And D, flood control. Bhakra Nangal project beginning use of mainly for. The question is very important for the exam view and all competitive exam also. I give a few seconds. You understand what is the correct answer on this four option here. Test your first of all knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. The question is clear. Water of Bhakra Nangal project is began use of mainly for. Here. You know that flood control is nothing here. Not a purpose the flood control. Industry uses is a nothing here. And fish breeding and navigation that are not. Means there is a main option is A. Hydropower and irrigation. There is a main purpose for the use of Bhakra Nangal project here. The answer A is correct. Hydropowers and irrigation. There is a main project of beginning use of here a Bhakra Nangal project. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question that's important. The question here. The diversions channel sea in the western Himalaya are called. The diversions channel seen in the western Himalaya are called. The question is clear. This is called A. Gul or Kul, B. Khadin, C. Johaz, and D. Recharge speed. That's important option. I give a few seconds for test your knowledge. Come on. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer to this question. The question you understand the diversion channel seen in the western Himalaya are called. That's the question is clear here and direct. There is recharged beat. This is not about applicable this answer. And Johad is a nothing. And Kadain, there's a nothing. There is the river channel is seen in the western Himalaya are called Guls and Kul. That's our right option here. The answer A is correct here. Guls are Kul. The option A, Guls are Kul. There is a most important answer for this question. And the next question here. Agriculture field which are used are rainfield storage structure is called. You know that question understand? The question here agriculture field which are used as a rainfield storage structure is called. Called is a Kul, B is a Khadin, Jad, C recharge pit, none of the above. The question is correct here, but I give a few seconds test your first of all knowledge here. You must have a thought of your answer. Thought over your answer? Let's see what is our answer for this question here. The question understand? The agriculture field which are used or rain feed storage structure is called. This is not a called Kuls, not a called recharge pit. And none of this also reject. The answer is here the B. Khadin Juhad. That's important answer. The correct answer is B. Khadin Juhad. That's important. And let's see next question. The next question on your screen, the question here, underground tank seen in Rajasthan to store the rainwater for drinking is called. What is called here? Underground water seen in the Rajasthan to store the rainwater for a drink is called. It's called tankas, khadin, ponds, kul. Know that there is a most important question for the exam view here. I give you few seconds. Test your first of all knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. That's an important question for the exam view here. You know that underground tanks in the Rajasthan to store the rainwater for a drink is called. Not a call to kuls, and not a call to pond, and not a call to the khadin. The answer is a clear cut tankers. That is a called tankers. A tankers, a groundwater tank. See there is Rajasthan to be stored rainwater drink is called is a tankers. That is A option is correct here. The next question, there is an important the question here. In Western Rajasthan, today plenty of water is available due to. Know that the question is clear. In Western Rajasthan, today plenty of water is available due to A. Rooftop water harvesting, B. Provincial Rajasthan Canal, C. Construction of the tank, and D. None of the above. This is the most important. I give a few seconds. Test your first of all knowledge. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that the question you understand. Western Rajasthan today plenty of water is available due to. The reason here due to. Know that the question is clear. The rooftop water harvesting, nothing here. Construction of tank, not applicable this answer here, none of the also here, but answer is just B. The answer B. Perennials Rajasthan Canal. That is the most important for the Western Rajasthan today plenty of water is available due to Perennial Rajasthan Canal. That's important here. The next question arrive here, that's important. The question here, what percentage of total volume of world's water is estimated to exist as an ocean? You know that the question is clear here. What is the percentage of total volume of world's water is estimated exist as an ocean? The question is the most important for the exam view here. You know that A is 94.5%, B is 95.5%, C 96.5%, D 97.5%. That's important. I give you few seconds for the test your knowledge. Choose a 4 option. The 1 option is here. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. The question is clear here, but understanding is important. Question about the percentage of total volume of the world water estimate is stated as ocean. You know that the answer is clear here. C 96.5. Remember that C 96.5%. That's the correct answer. 96.C. The C answer is correct. 96.5%. The next question here. The next question arrive here. This is important. And question here. The only state which has made a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses is. You know that the question is clear here. The only state which had made a rooftop rainwater harvesting structure compulsory to all the houses is. The option here A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, D. West Bengal. You know that is the most important. But first of all, I give a few seconds for you. Test your knowledge. That is important. You know that you must be have thought of your answer. Let's see the answer this question. The question you know that understand the only state which has made out rooftop water harvesting is status compulsory. Means compulsory. That is important question here. The Andhra Pradesh is not applicable. Andhra Pradesh is not a compulsory here. Karnataka is not a compulsory. And West Bengal, nothing is compulsory. But here answer is C, Tamil Nadu. The next question arrive here, that's important. A question here. The remote village that is in the rear destruction of began rich in a rainwater. You know that is the question is clear here. The remote village that has in the rear destruction of beginning rich in a rainwater. The option here, Gary, B is a Kaza, C is a gender, third, and this is none of the above. You know that is the most important option here. But first of all, you test your knowledge. I give you few seconds for you. You must have thought of your answer. Let's see what is the answer for this question. You know that this question is clear. The remote village that is in the rear destruction of beginning rich in rainwater. The option Gary, Kaza, Jandhathar, none of the above. That's important here. But answer is Gary is nothing and Kaza is not applicable and none of the above is not a thing. But answer is a Jandhathar. Jandhathar is the right answer. It means the remote village that is has hidden to the rear destruction or begin rich in the rainwater is a Jandhathar. The C is the correct answer. C tick on your notebook. The C answer is correct here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Which one of the following is not a adverse effect of regression? You don't have. That's important. In which of following is not an adverse effect of irrigation? The option here, irrigation change cropping pattern A, and the B, water intensive crop are growing in a dry area, and C, sensation of soil, and D, increase the crop yard. That's important option. And first of all, you test your knowledge. IQ knowledge is important. I give a few seconds for you. You know that you must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. The question you understand which one of the following note on adverse effect of irrigation. That's important questions here. You know that the first option, irrigation changes the cropping pattern, that's not applicable in this answer here. A is rejected here. Irrigation changes the cropping pattern is not applicable. And B here, the water intensive crop are growing in a dry area. That's not applicable. The water intensive crops are growing in a dry area. And C, salination of soil. Salination soil, this is not applicable. The answer is a D here is correct. Increasing crop yard. Increasing crop yard, that's important. The irrigation is important. The increasing crop yard, the C, D is answer is correct. D answer is correct here for this question. You know that, not your notebook, the D answer is correct here. And next question here. The question here, which of the following social movement are not a resistance of multi-purpose project? That's important question here. That's important. Which of the following social movement are not a resistance to the multi-purpose project? A, Narmada Bachao Andolan. B, Tehri Dam Andolan. C, Navadyana. And D, Chipko movement. That's important option for the exam view. You know that you test your IQ level first of all. I give you a few seconds for understanding this question here. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. Know that is the question is the most interesting. The most interesting. Because which of the following social movement are not resistance to multi-purpose project? Narmada Bachao Andolan, there is a multi-purpose project. and Terry Dam Andolan is a multi-purpose project. But Navadyan and Chipko movement, there is two movement, there is a social movement, are not a resident of a multi-purpose project here. It means two option is correct here on this question. C and D correct here. That is imagine here. Know that question asks these types of question. That's important. The answer is a C and D. Navadyan and D Chipko movement. C and D is correct answer for this question here. The next question arrive here. That's important. And question here. Which of the flowing river is not having any multi-purpose river project? You know that is a question is clear here. Which of the flowing rivers is not having any multi-purpose river project? The option is Satluj Bias, B Navadix, and C Narmada, D Yamuna. That's important, but you test your knowledge first of all. I give a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question. You know that the question is clear here. Which of the following rivers are not having any multi-purpose river project? Not having any multi-purpose river project. The question is clear here. You know that Satluj Bias is here a multi-purpose project. And this is a multi-purpose. B is a multi-purpose. And Narmada is also multi-purpose. But the mind is a D option is here. Yamuna is a project is not having any multi-purpose river project here. The option D is correct answer for this question here. The answer Yamuna is correct answer for this question. That's right. The next question on your screen, the question is the most important here. And question here, which of the following problem arise due to the water pollution? You know that is the question is important. Which of the following problem arise due to the water pollution? A. Sedimentation of water bodies. B. Waterborne disease. C. Discharge of industry waste. And D. Spanning of aquatic life. You know that the question is clear here. But first of all, test your knowledge. I give a few seconds. Choose a correct answer. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. The question is clear here. Which of the following problem arise due to water pollution? The water pollution is here. Sedimentation of water bodies, that's not a problem causing here. Swimming of aquatic life, that's nothing. And discharge of industry waste, there is a problem arise due to the water pollution here. But B is the correct answer. Waterborne diseases. Waterborne diseases is here due to the water pollution. The B is correct answer for this question here. The waterborne disease is a correct answer. You note your notebook of B, waterborne diseases. And next and last question here. The next question arrive here on your screen. There's an important question. The question here, which of the following data show the percentage of global precipitation that are received by India? You know that there's an important question here. Which of the following data show the percentage of global precipitation that is received of India? The option here 96.5%, B 30%, C 4%, D 2.5%. That's important here. But first of all, you choose of this answer because you test your knowledge. I give you a few seconds for you. You must have a thought of your answer. Let's see what is our answer for this question here. Question is here clear. Which of the following data show the percentage of global precipitation that is received by the India? You know that the answer is here a C 4%. The C is a 4% here. The 4% data show there is global precipitation that is received by the India. The answer is a 4%. Note your notebook is a 4% is the correct answer. The last question is the most important for the exam view and your knowledge also. And competitive exam is also here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe, and share the video as a much as a possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile. Thank you.